Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have a smoke detector that's chirping. It's time to change the batteries, and of course you can hear the little chirp. So let's get to work. All right, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna slide this battery compartment open, and we're gonna take out this battery. We're gonna put in a brand new one. Put this in like so. Push it up in there. All right. Now we're gonna test it just to see what's going on. Well, it seems like everything's working. Give it a couple of seconds and it should stop. And make sure we're changing this at least once a year, maybe twice. Check the expirations on your batteries, and that'll do it for this episode. Hey, thanks a lot, everyone. I'm glad you stuck around for the reinstall of our battery and our smoke detector. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.